Instill topical ocular anesthetic. Make sure to ask the patient if they are allergic to any medications before administering the anesthetic. Open the Morgan lens and attach it to the delivery set using the Y connector. If irrigating both eyes, attach a lens to each side of the system. Clamp one side of the tubing to control flow. Always start the flow of solution before inserting the lens. Ask the patient to look down. Gently lift the upper eyelid and insert the lens under the upper lid. Then pull down the lower eyelid and ask the patient to look up. Allow the lens to settle into place. Once inserted, have the patient close their eyes. After insertion, attach the Mediduct, a highly absorbent material designed to wick away fluid. Hold the Mediduct in position briefly to absorb the initial outflow of fluid. Then gradually increase the flow. The patient may experience mild pressure with increased flow. However, it should not be painful. To irrigate the second eye, unclamp the second Morgan lens and ensure flow is initiated prior to insertion. Ask the patient to look down. Gently lift the upper eyelid and insert the lens under the upper lid. Once the lens is in place, attach the second Mediduct. As a final step, tape the tubing to the forehead to prevent inadvertent lens displacement. Note that the eyelids may appear distended, which is expected due to fluid collecting beneath them. At full flow rate, a 1,000 ml volume will be delivered in approximately 6 minutes. The Mediduct's wicking material becomes damp as it absorbs fluid, while the patient's face remains dry. Remove the Mediduct. Reduce the flow to a minimal rate. Ask the patient to look up. Gently pull down the lower eyelid and slide the lens out. For the second eye, repeat the same process. Ask the patient to look up, then gently pull down the lower eyelid and slide the lens out. Once the lenses are removed, stop the flow. Note the volume of fluid used, while the patient's face and clothing remain completely dry. To place an order, just give Mortan a call at 1-800-423-8659. The Morgan lens saves time, saves money, and saves eyes.